Okay, during an 80-mile trip, Tom and Sam traveled at an average speed of b miles per hour for the first d miles of the trip, and at an average speed of 1.75 b miles per hour and 1.25 b miles per hour respectively for the last 80 minus d miles of the trip. So we have two separate pieces of the trip. First d miles and then 80 minus d miles. Okay, in the case of Tom, he traveled at b miles per hour for the first d miles and then 1.75 b. In the case of Sam, we still have d and 80 minus d, but now we have 1.25. Okay, now the question is, the time that it took Tom to finish the 80-mile trip, the whole trip, was what percent of the time that it took Sam to finish the 80-mile trip? Now I'm going to write the time of Tom for the whole trip. I have to do it in pieces because there is one time here and there is one time here. I don't have t exactly, but I can express it in terms of d and b. Okay, for Tom, it's going to be d over b plus 80 minus d over 1.75 b is what percent of the time of Sam. That's going to be the same, d over b plus 80 minus d over 1.25 b. Now in order to find w, which is my variable of what percent, do I really need to know b and d or only one of them? In the equation I can see that I can factor out 1 over b out of all the elements, and they can cancel out. B can cancel out, B can cancel out, and I would only need to know d. Therefore, statement number 1 is not sufficient and statement number 2 is sufficient. That would be B.